Let's get straight into it. If you're not using AI as a tester by 2026, you will fall behind. And I'm not talking about Ask GPT to write some test cases. I'm talking about the 5 AI tools that will completely change how you design tests, automate them, analyze logs, and uncover risks. But the last tool number 5, will replace around 30% of repetitive QA work, and almost nobody is talking about it. Stick around, because if you miss that one, you're missing the biggest shift to come to QA. Everyone keeps asking, which automation tool should I learn? Should I learn Cypress or Playwright? Should I learn Python or Java? But here's the real question. Which AI tools will actually make you a 10 times tester in the next 2 years? That's what this video is about, and by the end you'll know exactly which tools you need to adopt and how to use them daily as part of your QA workflow. This is your AI thinking partner. These LLM tools have evolved way beyond chatbots, and by 2026 they will be your test design assistant, requirements interpreter, edge case generator, log analyzer, risk mapping tool, documentation summarizer, and debugging coach. So what is it? A reasoning engine that can analyze anything you give it: requirements, screenshots, logs, test flows, automation code. How you use it as a tester? Well, daily, everywhere, and constantly. And how are you going to use it, and what you're going to use it for? You're going to break down unclear requirements into testable statements, brainstorm test ideas that you'd never think of, map risks before development even begins, generate exploratory testing heuristics, summarize choose logs into actionable insights, and turn acceptance criteria into test scenarios, and break complex flows into clear steps. So how are you going to implement it in the real life? Well, when you're writing a test plan, paste in your requirements into Claude or Gemini, highlight ambiguity gaps and risk areas, and when analysing a bug, paste logs into ChatGPT, identify the root cause and unusual patterns. And when doing exploratory testing, maybe ask Gemini, give me 12 unusual behaviours to explore on this page. This is thinking amplified using AI as your second brain. But Tool 4 does this thinking and takes it to the next level, so stay with me on that one. So this is your AI regression engine. These are AI automation platforms that let you write tests in plain English. No selectors, no weights, no maintenance. The AI handles the element identification, flaky test healing, dynamic weights, unexpected UI changes, even test optimization. How you use it as a tester? You write, click the login button, enter the username into the username field, enter the password into the password field, verify, dashboard is available, and the tool builds and maintains the automation. So implementation, use them for smoke tests, regression suites, repetitive flows, happy path journeys, and quick coverage. Your SDETs still build deep technical frameworks, but these AI automation platforms cover your bread and butter. But honestly, these tools are nothing compared to tool number 5, so keep watching for that one. These are your AI log analysts. This is where testers' value skyrockets. So what is it? These tools use machine learning to analyze logs, performance data, and environmental signals. They detect anomalies, suspicious spikes, unexpected patterns, failing services, slow endpoints, strange user flows, error correlations. So how are you going to use it as a tester? So instead of staring at 5,000 log lines, you ask Datadog AI, highlight the anomalies in the last 30 minutes. You ask Splunk AI, summarize unusual events. And you ask Kibana ML, show emerging issues. So how do you implement these? So you use these tools during regression, exploratory testing, performance analysis, triage, and root cause analysis. This turns you from test executor into quality detective, but logs are only half the story. Tool number 4 handles the code itself. And here is tool number 4. These are your AI pair programmers. So what is it? These AI tools help you write automation code, rewrite bad automation code. So Copilot, for example, will generate full test functions, assertions, and page objects. DiffBlue will generate entire unit test suites for Java. And Codium improves and refactors flaky automation. So how do you use it as a tester? So you type def test underscore login. AI writes the page object, the selectors, the assertions, and the flows. So how do you implement these in real life? STS use it for creating boilerplates faster, refactor flaky tests, writing page objects quicker, suggest missing assertions, and auto-fix obvious errors. But tool number 5, it doesn't just write the test, it explores the application. So here it is, tool number 5, your AI exploratory tester. So what is it? This is the future. Agent-based AI that learns your application, explores it, predicts risk, finds unexpected behaviors, raises suspicious interactions, and suggests new test cases, and detects behavior shifts between builds. This will replace around 30% of your repetitive QA work. So how are you going to use it as a tester? Well, before manual exploratory testing, run the AI agent and it'll do mapping hotspots, finding slow pages, highlighting weird flows, detect inconsistent behavior. But how will you implement it? So you'll use it for pre-exploration, smoke checks, risk analysis, visual regression, and new build analysis. This doesn't replace exploratory testers, it supercharges them. So this is the big truth. You don't need to become an AI expert, you don't need to stop testing, you don't need to have the fear of being replaced, but what you do need to become is a tester who uses AI, because testers who ignore AI will be replaced by testers who embrace it. Before you go, there's one massive shift coming to QA between now and 2026, and these tools don't solve it. It's something I explain fuller in my video, AI in testing in 2026 and the changes that will shock you. And if you've ever wondered why the test analyst role is dying, my other video explains exactly what's replacing it and the skills you must learn next. So pick one of those videos now and I'll see you there. To test smarter, grow faster. Goodbye.